why does the body react the way there is no real danger? But why does it happen to a body, even if there is no real danger? But how it happens?
Great question there, Imran. I'm glad that you asked this question. Well, this ties down into something we call as amygdala hijacking. In psychological terms, amygdala hijacking, right? So what is the amygdala, right? Let me just explain a little bit. This is a bit about neurological science. It's a bit about our brain structure. And this amygdala, is the part of our brain that is responsible for detecting threats and triggering the fight or flight response. So this amygdala is, as I said, is a part of the brain that associated with our emotional processes. The name amygdala is derived from the Greek word called amygdal, meaning almond. Almond, we love to eat this small little nut called almond.
Yes.
And it is situated in the limbic system in the brain, where it's a center of our emotional regulation. Our memory is stored there. And most importantly, it governs the fear center. So in a panic attack, right? Like you say, why do we react in such a way even though there's not a life-threatening situation? Well, during a panic attack, the amygdala, this small almond-shaped guy, the amygdala that I mentioned just now, overreacts. It overreacts by sending signals to the body that it is in danger, even though when it is not. So why does this amygdala overreact in this way, tend to overreact, is because it is situated in the fear center. So when this fear center is inappropriately activated, so the main thing that it's going to do is to protect us from danger. It's a survival mode being activated. So we are dealing with the primal brain that has evolved for millions of years when human beings existed in this world. So it is a natural response when we get too stressed up, or when we get too overwhelmed by work, or when we get anxious too frequently, and when anxiety becomes dysfunctional, right? This small little guy, amygdala, will become hyperactive.